Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will talk to you about how to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy, step by step. I want to remember you in the description we have several links, and that links we have, discounts from Etsy and the links of this video. I suggest you to use it because, they are really important. And first of all, we need to start here in Etsy. For start to sell digital products. And what is a digital product? It's the name say, it's a product, but you don't have that product. For example, here, it's basically a prom guy with cute chibi beauties. I don't know how or why, but some persons buy this. For example, you can see, have 2 reviews and, imagine. And what is that? Basically bronze or PDF. You can do it. How? I teach you how you can do it. For example, we see there are a lot of digital products. If, for example, here we can filter. I don't teach you how you can do that, or create the store. Basically, in the channel, we have a tutorial. In that tutorial, you can see it. And basically, you can do it. It's really easy. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you create that. For that, we need basically, for a start to do it, we only need to click here basically, and you can see it. If you see, and when you click here, it's basically a prompts and photos and how to do it. How you can do that? Simple. You can learn in a lot of tutorial, or you can see this video and do it faster. For example, you see, first you need to create the logo. The logo needs to be more beautiful, and you need to modify the size and other things. And you need to do the product. How you can do that? For example, here in Leonardo AI, you can do a prompts here, and with that prompts you can modify and basically write in a part and sell in Etsy. You can have that option. Or you can do other things. You can use, for example, ChatGPT, start practice code prompt, or in Copilot. For example, here in Copilot, you can do images too. You can use Leonardo AI, Copilot, or ChatGPT. You only need to do one thing. It's practice your prompts. After that, you need to create a good photo and the presentation. You need other thing, really important. Present your product. And basically present your product, it sounds like this. It's basically, for example, 100 plus partnered Midjourney prompts, AI, at Midjourney prompts, Midjourney art, AI learn Midjourney, digital art, I generate art print. You know, it's not difficult to do, and it's basically hashtags, but all the persons know how is this. Basically, when you click on it, have the description, has, for example, the images and the presentation. It's a really good presentation. For that reason, persons buy it. And it's a lot of persons buying these things. You can do more digital products. For example, here, free listenings, Midjourney prompts, customizable planners, Facely with market bundle with MRPLR, how to sell digital products, and other things. You can see they are really good. And Canva, for example, Canva Pro Lifetimes Edu version. Truth this is not easy. It's not an easy form of. It's more easy than other things. For example, a presential object or create new things. But this takes like 20 minutes or something like that per day. And you need to invest in this, because if you don't invest in this, it's really difficult, because you need to be good in prompts, in Etsy, Canva Pro, in that sense. If you want to sell something, you need to be the best or something good in that thing. For example, basically 1,000 Midjourney prompts. You can see you have a few reviews, but that person makes not a lot of time for this because he only needs to one, and with that one, he can have other options. That person can sell a lot because he knows how to do that. And he put here, it's really copy paste. And that images are basically from AI. And about the prompt, here are our presentation. You need to be good in the presentation. You can use ChatGPT and good prompts with that. I suggest you to, well, see it and read and take your time for this. Because, for example, welcome to the Prontel, where we are dedicated to in your creativity spark and guaranteed unparalleled excellent. Our team is a skilled professional, has extensively explored the realm of ChatGPT and Midjourney to curate sessional prompts and resources. We take pride in offering products that meet the highest standard of quality. Become a part of our community of satisfied customers who have harnessed and transformative potential of our prompts. Basically, it's a clear introduction for their products that you can do in ChatGPT. You need to create a prompt. For example, here it's really simple. Don't do that because this thing don't work. It's basically create a prompt from a product. Here it's really standard and not good because don't works. And why don't works? Basically it's a simple prompt and a lot of persons are doing this. With that, it's really difficult. If you write a purchased advertising for a cutting edge virtual really headsets that transfer users to breaking thin words allowing fans to explore to ancient civilizations deep into deep of the ocean or so through fantastical realm. Highlight the immersive experience, the stunning graphics, and then endless possibilities for adventure and exploration. Combo how these VR headsets revolutionize entertainment and gaming. Basically, you have the more basic. For example, here, it's headset. With headset, we basically have the prompt and the description. It's really easy. Don't do that. Remember that. But here we have headset. We have an image. We have basically the 50% of the work do. We only do this and this. And we have the template. It's really easy. We have the words. We have the music studio. And we have the more parts too. For example, in Leonard, we only need to create a prompt set with headset and our personal prompt. And that's it. We have a one online digital product. You can create, for example, a headset prompt. For that, you need to investigate your niche and other things, but this is the basic. It's really easy, but you need to dedicate time for that and money. Thanks for watching and subscribe.